any minute about to pass Blakedown station is the 0922 expected 39 5 kilo 20 Chiltern Railway service from Starbridge Junction Depot to Kidderminster. And look how covered this crossing is. Look at this. Look how thick the snow is today. Look, no trains have actually run over this track yet. So this is going to look interesting. I mean, look at all the snow covering up the track, and the barriers are almost completely buried in the snow. And yes, this is West Midlands train's first day, but services operate through the station are branded West Midlands Railway. I'm going to go over here so you can get a clear view of the train thrashing through the snow, or going through all this thick snow. And here it is. It's 168 by the looks. 168004. 168004 to Kidderminster. Morning. Yes, thanks. Something interesting there. The train's only just come through the station at high speed and it's just suddenly stopped down there. I've only just seen that.